Namaste.
Namaste ji.
Namaste.
I had the experience of living as a non-resident Indian in a number of countries like Canada, in Toronto, specifically in California and in Hong Kong. Then I got transferred back to India and I had the pleasure of meeting a number of friends coming back to India, always giving stories about their concern about parents back in India. It was so heart-wrenching for me listening to the pleading requests of friends saying, could you possibly help me? Or they were going to their relatives and asking, could you possibly help me look after my parents or give me feedback? Nearly every second week, somebody or the other was making these requests. So I got concerned about this and I said, non-resident Indians have a major concern and an emotional connect back in India with their aging parents. And what can we do for them as a community, a whole community? So we did extensive research for non-resident Indians back in California, in Toronto, Canada, in the UK, and in Australia. And one common thread through the entire research was we are very concerned about our parents. We can't come back home because we have our own children out here and we have our lives in the foreign country now. But we have an emotional connect with the parents and they do not want to come and visit us and stay with us long term. So what can you do to help? Our company now provides that very help for the non-resident Indian. The areas of concern were healthcare for the aging parents. We provide that now in its entirety. Concern about property management, concerns about financial, legal, banking, taxes, writing wills. We take care of the entire spectrum of the needs of the aging parent. And that's why this company, NR Needs, has been formed.
Can you please tell us more about the company?
I think Suresh sir has broadly spoken about the concept. The company revolves around providing services to the parents back in India. So when we talk about that, we talk about the complete package altogether. We are talking about health services. That constituent is basically about the 4 life cycle, which normally every person goes through. Is the predictive one, is the preventive one, then is the hospital care and the post-treatment care. So when we talk about this, we have products revolving around these 4 health services.
Right.
So how do we sign up and how exactly this process of providing care works?
So the signing up is very simple process. You can go online or you can tell us, we can physically come and we can sign up the agreement. The services which you normally asked us are basically taking care of the parents. How it happens is basically that we provide a care buddy which is assigned to your parents who would be visiting your place and would be attached with your parents. We send a doctor on a visit who goes and analyzes all the past and the reports of your parents. We then digitize all those reports and form a complete, encrypted document. Tomorrow, in case of emergency, you can easily access to those reports so that we don't run and look at the reports in case of emergency. We provide you the basic service of a real-time monitoring device. The device is being given to your parents. I can show you the device. So this is the device. It is SIM-enabled and it has a feature that if somebody falls down, so there is a fault detection and the message is being thrown to the 3 numbers which are configured around this, and you get a GPS location, an exact location where the person has fallen.
Wow.
Yeah. So along with that, we also, when we sign up, we also give you a test which is basically a recent test. We build it along with our product. We keep it ready so that we know exactly what your parents are into, which kind of bracket illness are they into.
Right.
So this is basically when we sign the contract in the first go.
So now let's say if we ever want to talk to the care buddies, and the people who are actually providing care to our parents, can we do that?
Yeah, very rightly said. So Care Buddy is a personalized service provider to your parents. The number will be shared with you. You can anytime call him and you can ask him about your parents. Even though you don't talk to your parents directly, you can check with him what's happening around the place.
And you just said that it's SIM enabled. So can we talk on that device?
Yeah, very right question pointed out. So this device basically is SIM enabled. In case of emergency, if you press the SOS button here, there's a mic, you can talk from here and you can actually speak to them what has happened in case of emergency.
Oh, that's really helpful. Yeah. So I think actually we both think that it's perfect. There could be nothing better for our parents.
Sure.
But is it very expensive?
No, not at all, because I think nothing can replace your parents' needs in case of
For
emergency
sure.
or when you're not available there. We work as an extended arm to your parents, and the cost is roughly between $750 to 1,000 Canadian dollars a year, which is approximately $60 a month.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm serious.
It's definitely very reasonable.
Sure.
Is there any phone number we can contact or a website?
Yeah, we definitely
address?
have the our call center number, which is 24/7 available to you. We share the Care Buddy's number with you. You can easily access him in case of any time you require.
Yeah. Now, please pardon my ignorance, but I also read something about DNA test of some kind.
Yeah, sure. I was about to take it up. I'm very excited to show you this. So the DNA test basically is a very simple test. It's a new form as of now, because this test is basically the diagnosis is from your saliva, and this kit probably has to get packed. The courier person will come and take, and we send you the reports. The diagnosis of this test is that the report is between 100 to 50 tests. Okay, and it gives you a predisposition of your ailments well before they are dispersed. Yeah. Are you carrying any genetic legacy along with you? Yes or no? So your father may be a diabetic, but you don't know whether you are going to carry that legacy or not. By doing this test, you can very easily find out what are the ailments which I'm going to carry further. Having said that, we also say that this drug is probably, this test will also throw you the complete details of your drug reactions. Which drug is acting when and which quantity will it act.
Right.
So that's the story about the DNA test.
The key thing is that healthcare is moving away from treating the sick. You've got a sickness and you treat it.
Yeah.
It's now moving into predicting what can happen to you.
Right.
And then making sure that we take care of you before it happens to you.
Sure.
Yeah. Prevention is better than cure.
Yep.
Absolutely.
And very rightly said, because I think a test like this would also help me understand how my health will look like in the
Very
future.
rightly said.
Right.
So you're right, absolutely, because this is applicable and useful not only for the NRI's parents back in India, but for the NRI himself.
Right.
Absolutely.
Because we can do it right from here and you get your report.